How to implement lean manufacturing in team. Team collaboration. Lean teams often consist of members from different departments, ensuring a holistic approach to problem solving. Team members should have defined roles and responsibilities to prevent duplication of efforts and confusion. Employee training. Team members should understand the core lean principles and methodologies such as value stream mapping, 5S, and Kaizen. Employees should embrace the idea of continuous improvement and be encouraged to suggest and implement changes. Continuous improvement. Teams should periodically review their processes and results to identify areas that need improvement. Implement Kaizen events, which are short, focused projects aimed at making quick improvements in specific areas. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos.